tired of manually chasing documents and managing endless follow-ups? Let's dive into how Pandadoc Automation can revolutionize your workflow. Pandadoc Automation is your secret weapon for saving time and boosting efficiency. It allows you to set up automatic actions that happen when specific events occur with your documents. Think of it as having a super efficient digital assistant for your sales and business processes. Let's get started by heading over to the Automation section within your Pandadoc workspace. You'll find this usually located in your main navigation menu. Once you're in the Automation area, look for the option to Create New Automation or a similar button, and click it to begin building your first automated workflow. The first key component is setting up your triggers. This is what kicks off your automation in Pandadoc. You can trigger an automation based on various document events, such as when a document is sent, viewed, signed, or even rejected. For this example, let's say we want to automate a follow-up reminder. We'll select Document Sent. As our trigger, this means our automation will start its process right after you hit that Send button on a new document. Now, on to the actions. This is where you define what happens after your trigger event occurs. Pandadoc offers a range of powerful actions. For our reminder scenario, we'll select Set Reminder. This will automatically schedule a follow-up activity. Here, you can specify exactly when this reminder should be sent, a circumflex euros. For instance, 2 days after the document was sent, you can also choose who receives this reminder, whether it's yourself, a team member, or even the recipient of the document. Finally, give your automation a clear and descriptive name, like Client Follow-Up Reminder, and then hit Save Automation. It's that simple. Now, every time you send a document, Pandadoc will automatically remember to follow up on your behalf, freeing you up to focus on closing more deals and building stronger relationships. Start automating your workflows today and unlock the full potential of your business processes with Pandadoc.